So if we were face to face right now, I would ask everyone what they thought process safety was, and would likely get a wide range of answers. And no wonder, because here's some definitions of process safety that I've taken from some oil and gas and petrochemical and other energy companies' websites. And you'll see that all of them have got a very different and quite lengthy definition of process safety. And I'd wager that if you were to ask these people in a lift what process safety was, that very few, if any of them, would be able to correctly recite their own company's definition. So you might ask yourself, is this too much? I'd say almost certainly, and indeed it can be simplified. That process safety is not the absence of incidents, it's the presence of effective barriers. Major incidents, by definition, are rare, and just because we haven't seen one for a while, although it's a very good thing, might give us a false sense of security that everything is okay. So ensuring that our barriers are healthy and in good working order is key to effective process safety. So here's the now very popular way of visualizing a major accident event on a Swiss cheese model, and you may have seen this before. The slices of cheese obviously represent the barriers that we've got in place to either prevent an incident from happening. In this case, it's a gas release, or minimizing the consequence if it does. And those barriers may be physical pieces of equipment, what we call plant. They might be processes or procedures, or it might be the actions that are taken by people. And the holes in the cheese, of course, represent the failure mechanisms of each barrier. And if these holes line up, we can have an incident. But unfortunately, many large incidents that have occurred over the years have got one thing that they all share in common. And that's that it didn't just take one barrier to fail. It was the result of multiple barrier failures. We all have a role in making sure that our barriers perform as they should and when they are required.